349, 2 and 9. Very clear, sir.
एक मिनट, एक मिनट। अब आप एक मिनट, आपने बताया 349। ओके, एक मिनट, इस पे आ जाए। सभा में झंडे, प्रतीक या कोई भी प्रदर्शित वस्तु प्रदर्शित नहीं करेंगे। माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के नेता, आप आपकी सदस्य का रूल की पालना कर लें, अच्छा है।
तो नीट में तो सब जगह
सदस्य ने
फैलाया।
नियम बताया, उसकी पालना करने के लिए कह रहा हूं मैं तो।
Almost all ministers intervene.
Without ending.
ओके, प्लीज आप मान अधिवक्ता हैं, प्लीज बैठिए। अध्यक्ष, आसन पर बैठे सभापति या अध्यक्ष माननीय सदस्य को अलाउ कर सकता है। ये नियम में नहीं है, ये नियम में नहीं है क्या? नो, कर सकते हैं आप। रूल्स पे मत चलिए, रूल्स पे चलेंगे तो नो। ये नियम में नहीं लिखा कि एलओपी बोले तो आप बीच में नहीं बोल सकते। नो, अध्यक्ष के आसन की व्यवस्था दे सकते हैं, प्लीज। चलो
Sir, you have allowed 2 ministers, 3 ministers, and I want to make very short references. Read this. 352. A member while speaking shall not make personal reference by way of making an allegation, imputing a motive to or questioning the bona fides of any other member of the House.
ओके,
Has Rahul Gandhi made reference to any other
351
member? Sir, ये हुआ नहीं। और use uttered treasonable, seditious or defamatory words. Is mentioning the name of Shiva defamatory?
आप क्यों विद्वान में बैठा हूं ना सीट पे? आपको
अभी
मैं बता दूंगा सब नियम।
सर, ये लोग नहीं समझते हैं। मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ देयर inadequate knowledge of English, they thought that reference to, he did not make any personal reference.
Please.
And the next point
Okay.
is, sir,
please.
Rajnath Singh ji made a point on Agniveer. There is a method to correct any wrong statement made in the House. Please read 115(1) of the directions by the Speaker. It says, a member wishing to point out any mistake or inaccuracy in a statement made by a minister or any other member shall, before referring the matter in the House, write to the Speaker pointing out the particulars of the mistake or inaccuracy and seek the permission of the Speaker to raise the matter. Has Rajnath Singh written to you? Has he written? No, he has not done. All these ministers. शिवराज सिंह चौहान सर इतने दिन बाद लोकसभा में
अभी आप सुनिए,
खड़ा होके बोलने लगे।
माननीय
मजाक की जगह है क्या? ये नॉट गिवन ए नोटिस,
मेरे पास
यू
है
कैनॉट पॉइंट आउट मिस्टेक और ऑन एमएसपी ही मेड ए स्टेटमेंट।
नहीं,
व्हाट राइट ही हैज?
आप एक मिनट प्लीज। आपने 352 का हवाला दिया। 352 के अंदर स्पष्ट रूप से लिखा है, कोई भी तथ्य ऐसे कभी भी नहीं बोले जाएंगे जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है। मैं अपेक्षा करूंगा कि प्रतिपक्ष के नेता इन नियम प्रक्रियाओं की पालना करें। और दूसरा विषय जो माननीय सदस्य ने लिखा है 102 के अंदर ही सदन में सभापति या अध्यक्ष किसी भी मान्य सदस्य को बोलने की इजाजत दे सकता है, नियम प्रक्रिया के तहत है। नो
Okay, continue. Rahul ji, continue.
Speaker sir,
मेरी
neat
परमिशन
students.
से किसी को भी अलाउ कर सकता हूं और मेरी बिना परमिशन के कोई नहीं बोला है।
See, sir, Speaker sir, neat students spend years and years preparing for their exam. Their family supports them financially, emotionally. And the truth is that NEET students today do not believe in the exam. Because they are convinced that the exam is designed for rich people, not meritorious people. I have met a number of NEET students, every single one of them tells me that the exam is designed to create a quota for rich people and to create a passage for them into the system, and is designed not to help poor students. Now, इससे भी बहुत डर होता है। महीनों पढ़ाई करते हैं, ये पता नहीं कि भैया एग्जाम लीक हो जाएगा नहीं होगा, अगर पास भी हो गए तो पैसा कहां से आएगा। तो उधर भी इन लोगों ने भय डालने का काम किया। तो जहां भी ये देखते हैं ये भय डालते हैं। सेना में, युवाओं में, किसानों में, मजदूरों में, महिलाओं में, डिसेबल्ड में भी। और मैं ये भी कह सकता हूं कि सिर्फ बाकी हिंदुस्तान में भी नहीं, मगर अपनी पार्टी में भी भय है। आपकी पार्टी में डर है, भय है, सच्चाई है। देखो अब आप चिल्ला नहीं रहे हो, अब आप शांत हो, अब बिल्कुल शांत हो। सच्चाई बोल दी, चिल्ला नहीं रहे, चुप। क्योंकि आपकी ट्यूनिंग डायरेक्टली, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आप चिल्ला भी नहीं सकते क्योंकि कनेक्शन नहीं। सर मैं बोल रहा हूं, सर समझा रहा हूं, स्ट्रक्चर बोल रहा हूं। सर लोकतंत्र में पार्टी में डेमोक्रेसी होनी चाहिए। कोई भी इन पार्टियों में कोई भी आके कुछ भी कह देता है। ग्रुप ऑफ 22, 23, 24, 25 सब जो बोलना है बोल देते हैं, मगर आपकी पार्टी में भय है। सत्यमेव जयते, ना डरो ना डराओ। सर, when I became LOP, I realized something that I had not realized before. And it's also on the lines of the principles of Shiva. It's on those same lines. And the idea was that after becoming LOP, all my personal dreams, my personal aspirations, my personal fears have to be put aside. I am now actually two people. I'm not one person. I'm a constitutional person, and my job is to be leader of the opposition, to represent all these parties equally. In fact, I don't just represent the Congress party, I represent every single party. And I have to treat every single party with love and affection. So when Hemant Soren ji is in jail or Kejriwal is in jail, it should disturb me, it should hurt me. Yes. When you unleash your agencies on these political people, it is our job to defend them. Because there is a constitutional person and an individual. And what Shivji is saying is that when you are a constitutional person, the individual should die. The individual's aspirations, the individual's dreams should die. And you should become the voice of the people. Yes. Meaning that you should have no fantasies, no dreams, nothing. The perfect public representative is one who is actually dead. That is what Shivji is saying. You understand? Now, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, now, my advice. So there are two structures now. One is me as an individual, and one is me as leader of the opposition. Me as an individual, I might have my likes and dislikes. I might have my views, but me as leader of opposition have to suppress them, have to reduce them and say, now I'm the voice of the opposition. That is the idea. That is the idea of the democratic system. The people have given me a responsibility, and that responsibility should overcome my personal likes, dislikes, aspirations. Now, Speaker sir, why I'm saying this, and forgive me for saying this, but when you were being put on that chair, I walked there to help you, to walk with you to the chair. And I shook hands with the Prime Minister, and I shook hands with you. And then I walked to your chair. And you are the final arbiter of the Lok Sabha. You're the final word here. What you say fundamentally defines Indian democracy. You don't allow us to speak, you allow us to speak, you allow them to speak, you don't allow us to speak. All these things define Indian democracy. Speaker sir, there are actually two people sitting in that chair. There is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Speaker of the Indian Union, and there is Mr. Om Birla. When Modi ji went and shook your hand, and I went and shook your hand, I noticed something. When I shook your hand, you stood straight like this and shook my hand. And when Modi ji shook your hand, you bowed down and shook his hand.
ये आसन के सामने आरोप है, ये चेयर के सामने आरोप कर रहे हैं माननीय।
Now, with all respect, sir, such a
बैठिए, प्लीज। प्लीज बैठिए, प्लीज बैठिए। एक मिनट प्लीज, ओके प्लीज, नो। माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के नेता, एक मिनट प्लीज। माननीय प्लीज, नो। प्रतिपक्ष के माननीय नेता, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री सदन के नेता हैं, और मुझे मेरी संस्कृति संस्कार ये कहते हैं, व्यक्तिगत जीवन में भी, सार्वजनिक जीवन में भी, और इस आसन पर भी, जो हमसे बड़े हैं उनको झुककर नमस्कार करो। मुझे यही सिखाया है, और बराबर वालों से बराबर का व्यवहार करो, यही मुझे सिखाया है। और इसीलिए
स्पीकर सर, अगर आप
हाँ, मैं इस बात को आसन से कह रहा हूं कि मेरी संस्कृति और संस्कार यही है कि बड़ों का झुककर और आवश्यक हो तो पैर छूकर सम्मान करो, और बराबर जो उम्र से छोटे हैं उनसे बराबर का व्यवहार करो।
स्पीकर सर,
ये हमारी संस्कृति संस्कार है, और मैं इस संस्कृति संस्कार की पालन करता हूँ।
स्पीकर सर, आपकी बात को मैं एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ। स्पीकर सर, आपकी बात को रिस्पेक्टफुली,
बैठिए ना।
स्पीकर सर, मैं आपकी बात को रिस्पेक्ट करता हूं, मगर आपको कहना चाहता हूं कि इस हाउस में स्पीकर से कोई बड़ा नहीं होता। स्पीकर सबसे बड़ा है, हम सबको स्पीकर के सामने झुकना चाहिए। और मैं आपके सामने झुकूंगा और सारा का सारा ऑपोजिशन आपके सामने झुकेगा। ये लोकतंत्र है स्पीकर सर। आप इस हाउस के लीडर हैं, आपको किसी के सामने नहीं झुकना चाहिए। कस्टोडियन है,
नेता प्रधानमंत्री है, स्पीकर को आप
स्पीकर इज द लास्ट वर्ड, स्पीकर इज अध्यक्ष एंड इज द लास्ट वर्ड। अंत में Speaker is the last word in the Lok Sabha, and in that spirit, Speaker is the last word in the Lok Sabha, and in that spirit, as members of the Lok Sabha, we are subservient to the Speaker. I believe that. Yes. Now, there might be people in this room who think they are not, but I think the entire opposition believes that we are subservient to you, sir. And we will listen to what you say, and we will bow in front of you. But the only thing I request, Speaker, sir, is it is important that there is fairness in this house. Yes, yes. Now, I gave a speech, Speaker, sir, and it was interrupted throughout. Yes. Now, this time is going to be taken away from my colleagues. And I think that is unfair. Finally, I'd like to say that the principles that allowed us to fight are in our traditions. Truth, courage, non-violence. And they're in all our religions. And what you have come to represent today is untruth, a complete lack of courage, and violence. And my recommendation to you, if you take it, this country has a government and you are the government. And you are, whether we like it or not, you are the government of India. Elected by the people. And I agree to that. But I would say to you that as individual members, as the cabinet, you do not spread fear in this country. That you do not spread hatred in this country. That you listen to the farmers of this country, you listen to the students of this country. When the opposition says to you, let's have a debate for one day, have it. It's not going to harm anybody. They're going to love you for it. The students of India are going to say, we love the government because they allowed us our voice, they let us speak for one day. So, do not spread hatred. Do not spread violence. Do not be fearful. Even the BJP members here, even the cabinet members, do not be fearful. You have a constitutional position. You are individuals and then you have a constitutional position. Rajnath Singh ji is an individual and he's the Defense Minister of India. And that is the way this country has to be run. And we as the opposition, don't take us as your enemies. We are not your enemies. We are here, we are sincerely here to make your work easier, as long as you follow the basic principles that we have stated. And these principles are Shivji's principles. They are the principles of Shivji. Har Har Mahadev, you can say. To make the government. This is basically what I have explained here today is the concept of Indian leadership in all religions. Respect, affection, ahimsa, and always standing up for the truth. And I'm more than happy, all of us are more than happy to discuss anything you want without being nasty, without being aggressive, anything you want, we are ready to discuss. So please let us work together to take this country forward. You are the government. We have to accept that. You got 240 seats. So I congratulate you on that. At least accept it. Accept to kar lijiye.
They're not happy. They're not happy.
Not happy.
They're not happy.
Okay, you're not happy. So I would say we want to both work for this country. Work with the spirit of bravery. work without violence, work without hatred. Thank you.